Welcome back. The defaced campaign hoardings of BJP has raised many questions. No one knows who damaged these hoardings. Neither the party nor the Election Commission nor North Goa Collectorate have ordered removal of these hoardings. The question is, who defaced the hoardings and why? Have a look. Have a look at these hoardings. They are being tempered. Image of Manohar Parrikar. Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi. Symbol of party has been defaced. BJP maintains that the party has not done it. Election Commission has not done it. We spoke with the Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Nauti.
होर्डिंगाक परमिशन दिवपाची जबाबदारी ही डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर आणि डिस्ट्रिक्ट इलेक्शन ऑफिसर तांचेर आसता. ताचे बरोबर टेक्स्ट कितें अप्रूव करपाचो तो MCMC म्हणजे जी डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल कमिटी आसता ताजे कडेन आसता. म्हणटकीच इलेक्शन कमिशनान हांगा कसलीच ऑर्डर दिवना, कारण होर्डिंग काडपाची किंवा घालपाची पावर्स ह्यो इलेक्शन कमिशना कडेन ना. पण आमी फक्त इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिता की कशे तरेन ते वापरचे किंवा कशे तरेन ते. सध्या तरी आतां जो आरोप जाता तो पळयत जाल्यार आमी काय ह्या ऑफिसांतल्यान आमी कसलीच अजून पर्यंत इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्ली ना की होर्डिंग कार्ड किंवा होर्डिंग डिफेस करची.
So, it's a no from Election Commission too. We spoke with the additional North Goa Collector Swapnil Naik over telephone. He too refused of having ordered anyone to remove the campaign hoardings. The question that still remain unanswered is, who defaced these hoardings and why? With Bureau Inputs, Mayur Naik for Prudent. Dempo Group's support for Olympic gold quest will go to a long way in boosting the aspirations of Goan sportsperson who can dream to make it big. However, the talented state sportspersons will have to work very hard to move to the level where they will gain scholarships from O.G.Q.
Dempo Group Chairman Srinivas Dempo's support for Olympic gold quest can be counted as one of the best moves in Goan sports history. Not known much for any major sports achievement at the international level other than football, Goan sportspersons can now aim to reach the great heights in Olympic sports. O.G.Q provides assistance to athletes from 6 individual sports disciplines to achieve their dream and win Olympic gold medals. O.G.Q's vision is to scout for potential medal talent, to help identify areas of support and to work with all stakeholders to aid deserving talent. According to O.G.Q, the cost of supporting an athlete is anywhere between 10 to 20 lakh rupees a year depending on the sport, seniority and performance. CEO of O.G.Q, Virendra Askina revealed O.G.Q's scholarship initiative.
We also have what is known as the Olympic Gold Quest Scholarship Program, where we support young athletes in the age group of 11 to 17 years old. We are grooming, identifying and training them for the future, for the 2020 and the 2024 Olympics.
Dempo's Goodwill brand ambassador policy has helped state sportspersons achieve national and international glory. Now Chairman Srinivas Dempo has pitched in to assist development of Olympic level sportspersons with his backing for Olympic Gold Quest.
And I'm sure I learned a lot from you guys. But we do this in a micro scale in the state of Goa. And as you've seen from Vishwanathan Anand and Sena, Goa gets a lot of positive energy to sports because both of them in some way had, Goa contributed to their careers. So we're trying to do this in a small way in Goa, but we want to continue doing this. And I'm truly sure that Goa will remain connected to O.G.Q.
While there is little to suggest Goan sportspersons are at a level to bag O.G.Q scholarship, this move by Dempo should motivate the state athletes to work their socks off in future. Bureau Report, Prudent.
United Club of Nerul defeated Saint Savios from Kalangut by 2 goals to win the inter-village football tournament at Kanduli ground. The All Goa tournament was organized by Penede Front Sports Club. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.